At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an ostrich farm business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Learn about ostrich farming. Understand the basics of ostrich behavior, breeding, feeding, housing, and healthcare. Analyze the market. Identify potential customers, such as restaurants, exotic meat markets, and consumers interested in ostrich products. Consider the legal and regulatory requirements. Check local laws and regulations regarding ostrich farming, zoning ordinances, and permits. 2. Develop a business plan. Define your business goals, target market, and unique selling propositions. Estimate your startup costs, including land, housing, fencing, equipment, ostriches, and operational expenses. Create a financial plan with revenue projections, expenses, and cash flow forecasts. Outline your marketing strategy to attract customers and promote your ostrich products. 3. Secure funding. Determine how much capital you need to start and operate your ostrich farm. Explore financing options such as personal savings, loans, investors, or government grants. 4. Acquire suitable land and facilities. Look for land with adequate space for ostriches to roam and graze. Build or renovate housing facilities, including shelters, nesting areas, and fences to ensure the safety and security of your ostriches. 5. Source ostriches. Purchase healthy ostrich chicks or breeding pairs from reputable suppliers. Consider factors such as age, sex, genetics, and health history when selecting ostriches for your farm. 6. Implement proper care and management practices. Develop a feeding program with a balanced diet to meet the nutritional needs of ostriches. Establish a healthcare routine, including vaccinations, parasite control, and regular veterinary checkups. Monitor ostrich behavior and adjust management practices accordingly to ensure their well-being and productivity. 7. Market your ostrich products. Create a brand identity and packaging for your ostrich products. Utilize various marketing channels, such as online platforms, farmers markets, trade shows, and direct sales to reach potential customers. Highlight the unique qualities and health benefits of ostrich meat, eggs, feathers, and leather to attract consumer interest. 8. Continuously evaluate and adapt. Regularly assess your farm's performance, financials, and customer feedback. Identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategies accordingly to optimize productivity, profitability, and customer satisfaction. Starting an ostrich farm requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn. By following these steps and seeking advice from experienced ostrich farmers or agricultural experts, you can increase your chances of success in this unique and rewarding business venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.